Hello, my name is Vance Lucas, and I want to introduce a project that I've been working on with my team at Brightbit called StackboX. StackboX is an open source content management system aimed at ending the back-end admin panel style editing paradigm for good. The way we do that is by overlaying edit controls directly on page in place so that you can edit exactly what you see. You do that by navigating to the page that you want to edit after you've logged in and just making your edits. You can make your edits live directly on page. Uses JavaScript, Ajax, and mobile windows to just pop up, edit directly. You can shuffle content around, you can add content. If we wanted to add a module to this page, we can just drop it here, edit. We can type in our text, save it, we see it instantly. We can rearrange it if we want, and it's all saved for you instantly. The way that this works specifically is through templates. Pages are essentially just a URL and a template shell. So if we go to edit this page here, it's a title, a URL, and a template. And then the template defines what editable content you have on the page. Well, it defines the regions that are editable, and then you can put whatever you want within those regions. So in the HTML template, it's just pure HTML. There's no tags for these page templates, so it doesn't interfere with a designer's markup or the overall structure of the page. You just add this class called CMS region on anything that you want to be an editable region, and StackboX transforms it into a region that you can drop modules into. There's a region and a region, CMS region global, and each region has to have a unique ID. This region here in the middle is just a regular region, so you can drag and drop anything you want to. This region over here to the right, where the navigation module sits, is a global region. And the reason why that's global is because any template that shares the same ID with a global region will also get any content that you put in here. It makes it really nice to do things like headers and footers. You see this text still staying here, and this navigation still staying here as well. This way you can make things global across the site, but you don't have to hard code them in the template. So you can do things like navigation that's global and text and banners that are global, still have them editable anywhere within the site, and they'll affect every page. So your client will still be able to edit them. They won't call you about it. They won't be hard coded in the template or anything like that. So that's kind of the gist of Alloy. It has a lot of different modules. I didn't really go into a whole lot of details. One other thing I want to show you before we end real quick is just this add module feature. Again, just drag and drop functionality. Any region that you can drop into will be supported. I'm just going to go ahead and just put a heading above this so you can see kind of what it looks like. It will be on each page. Looks like it didn't say the position there, but now it will. So this is what I've been working on. This is what I've been continuing to work on. And I just wanted to give you guys a little preview of it, show you what's possible with StackboX, what StackboX does, and just how easy it is to edit anything that you want to edit. One other thing I will say is that this StackboX is built for both programmers and designers. So programmers will want to know that each of these modules is its own MVC structure. So since Alloy is hierarchical MVC, this Alloy is really what enables this StackboX functionality to work. So this text is its own MVC module. The code modules that you see dispersed here for code content are their own MVC modules as well, just that specify their own behavior. There's more complex modules. The blog module, navigation's its own module. There's an image slideshow. Basically anything you want to do, event calendars on down, can be its own module. And there's really no difference between there's very little difference between a standard MVC module and a Stackbox module. So you really have full control of anything you want to do with those modules from the programming end. Stackbox is open source. It's on GitHub. It's just StackboxCMS, or is the user account on GitHub, so it's github.com/StackboxCMS, and hope to have your contributions, hope to get your feedback, and look forward to more from Stackbox.